If you flapped as hard as you could, you might think that with enough effort, you could eventually levitate off the ground. But could this actually work? Well, to achieve flight, you need to flap your arms at over 100 times per second, nearly as fast as a hummingbird's wings. And even if you could do this, the air resistance and motion would rip your muscles apart in seconds. Now, if you added perfectly designed wings to your arms and flapped at impossible speeds, you might get off the ground briefly, but this is still pretty much impossible.